We're sitting in the back row too, so.
I don't know, do you think it helped or hurt?
I think he might have helped. Becca was kind enough to put her arm out as a support for this camera.
I came up under him and held.
So we'll see. Definitely a great invert, one of my favorites.
That is an awesome invert. That is probably one of my favorites.
Thanks for watching, everyone, and for more.
We'll see you on the next adventure.
We'll see you on the next adventure.